The 2025 Audi Q3 will likely be a complete redesign and the last generation to obtain a gas-powered engine. Audi claims it plans to quit introducing models with internal burning engines after 2026. According to Motor One, very early photos disclose the 2025 Q3 is roughly the same size as the present design, which implies the Q3 will likely continue to be Audi's smallest and most affordable crossover. Styling attributes include a new grille layout and split headlights topped with thin daytime running lights. In back, the taillights are linked by an LED light strip. We've seen these styling signs on various other Audi designs, however they're new to the Q3. Photos likewise show a charging port located ahead of the driver door, suggesting the next Q3 will offer a plug-in hybrid power plant. Such a configuration would be a welcome increase to the Q3's efficiency and performance. There's no word yet on whether Audi will replace the existing 2.0-liter turbo base engine or the available high-output version. It's feasible both will certainly embrace light crossbreed modern technology and feedback to the most up-to-date effectiveness standards in Europe. Regardless of engine, we're particular Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system will be conventional on the 2025 Q3. We're certain the Q3 will feature substantial safety and security technology from the beginning. Flexible cruise control, lane keeping aid, car park sensors, and a lot more will likely be typical. Seek a larger facility touchscreen to replace the present 8.8-inch device. The Q3's digital instrument displays will most likely grow also. According to reports, Audi may introduce a coupe-like Q3 version called the Sportback, including a sloping roofline and sportier trim throughout. Up until now, Audi hasn't supplied the Q3 Sportback in the U.S. market.